how to change time zone on calendar on MacBook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change time zone for your Apple Calendar. Let's dive right in. So head over to calendar first, and then you need to go to calendar option in the top menu and then go to settings. First, make sure time zone support is toggled on. It's under the advanced tab. And then after that, you need to go to the time option on your calendar on the right hand side beside the search icon, and then tap on other. And here you can see closest city. You can tap on the drop down and then choose the city of your choice. You can also type it out and then change your time zone. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.